We are just mentioning the challenges.
Ari mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igi mathabu ma muingi nere tongorego ni Senator wa Homa Bay Moses Kajwang, Governor wa Mandera Adan Khalif ekorete haceke akiremo gutariria kiria ekite na ciringi milioni 449 iria ciabatie kuhuthika kwitana na mogwati ma hinahi.
You have also reported that 349 million was spent on relief food items. Give us the assurance and tell us the test that you carried. If you assure us, we will move to the next issue.
Governor Khalif ataarĩrie atĩ milioni 349 ciahuthĩkire kũgũra irio cia ũteithio, nacio milioni 32.2 ciahuthĩkire tabarĩra-inĩ cia maĩ, nacio milioni 12 ikĩhũthĩka mũbango-inĩ wa gũtirĩrĩra famĩlĩ iria hinyĩrĩrĩku. No ĩndĩ maseneta nĩ mekĩrĩire nganja ndeto ĩno.
It's very difficult to know who got a truck of water. It's very difficult to know which animals got the feed.
Kiria kirigithĩtie maseneta makiria ni uria ciringi milioni 55.9 ciahuthĩkire kũgũra mĩũngũrwa ya kũhanda o rĩrĩ kwarĩ kũmagaru na gũtirarĩ na mbura. Kĩũria kĩnene yarĩ mĩũngũrwa ĩno yarĩ ya mĩmera ĩrĩkũ na yahandirwo kũ?
Because when I hear seedling, I know a tree. I've been to Mandera. I think we were invited to the senator's farm along the river there. They grow fruits, they grow mangoes, they grow all sorts of things. But it is something that is ascertainable. If I give farmers 10,000 avocado seedlings, I should be able to point and say those ones are the trees.
You know the money we are discussing, Governor, 55.9 million, can do around 55 ECD classrooms or can do a number of water tracking in the area. So the question is as simple as this. Can you attach the seedlings, the money to seedlings and the seedlings to the farms, to the farmer?
So 55 million worth of seedlings. How many were they?
I don't have the numbers, but I can tell the question that what type of farming.
No, don't answer that. Deal with 55 million worth of seedlings.
We have seedlings we supply to farmers along the river, all the way from BP1 to Malkamari. That is one. All types of seeds.
Riu kamiti no ya Senate kienda muhuthirire wa mbeca ici uthuthurio na kinyi na rekodi ciruto cia wira wa uria mbeca ici ciahuthikire.
What we are asking the Auditor General to do is to do a more thorough investigation on the 349 million spent on relief food, 32.8 million spent on tracking of water, 55.9 million spent on seedlings, and 459.9 million spent on education benefits.
I said that should have been the right thing, and I said we're going to take the internal control to make sure that we provide a list going forward.
Girifotera Inoro TV, jitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.